I decided at this point, radio now becomes the conduit, the messenger for the people that are in need.
With that in mind, radio disc jockeys never looked back. They opened their phone lines, and the Tennessee Valley responded.
It became a real source of vital information during a crisis, and allowed people to use the station to get needed assistance, from warmth to food, medications, elderly people that were just freezing literally to death in their homes.
DJs say linking people with people was their mission that weekend.
We were just helping to get people's word, you know, that actually there are people who need help, people who are stuck beside the road with kids in the car that need somebody to come out and take them somewhere, elderly people who need heat, who need kerosene, whatever. And I'm just glad to be a part of it. Not a part of a storm like that, but a part of trying to help people get their lives back together.
As one announcer put it, broadcasting during a state of an emergency was something he'd only read about.
I've read in trade magazines about other stations in San Francisco that had to deal with the earthquake a couple of years ago, stations in Miami that had to deal with the hurricane last August or September, whenever it was the hurricane hit down there. And you don't really grasp what those guys had to go through. Or I don't feel that I had a grasp of what those guys had to go through at those stations until now, until what I've been through here with this storm of 1993.
He says it was worth every second of airtime.
When people need to know information, the fact that radio is there, and just how important our job is as broadcasters in keeping people informed and also getting help to people that need it.
The storm of 1993 may go down as the worst in history, but for these announcers, it marks one of the most memorable moments of their broadcasting careers. Madeline Firsty, News 12.